Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're going to make some delicious no-bake keto peach cheesecakes, a great way to use fresh summer peaches. First, we're going to make a little bit of a pecan crumble for the crust and the topping. I used 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of brown sweetener, and I stirred these together over medium-low heat until they were melted and mixed together. Then I added half a cup of finely chopped pecans and 1/8 teaspoon salt, and I mixed this together in the sweetener and butter mixture for a few minutes. You want to toast the pecans a little, so probably about 3 minutes. Then just remove it from heat and set it aside. Now we're going to make a little peach sauce with 1 cup of finely chopped peaches, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar replacement, and 1 tablespoon of water. And I like to add 1 tablespoon of allulose to make it more gooey and syrupy. Then we want to stir that all in together and bring it to a simmer and cook until the peaches are nice and tender. This only takes about 5 minutes. Now we can get going on the cheesecake filling. So I have 5 ounces of softened cream cheese, and I'm just going to beat that until it's nice and smooth. Then we need to add 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And beat that in until well combined and smooth. Now we want to take half a cup of heavy whipping cream, nicely chilled, and we're going to beat that on high until it holds nice stiff peaks. Add all of the whipped cream to the cream cheese mixture, and you're going to fold it in gently until no streaks remain. Try not to deflate the whipped cream as best you can. To assemble the cheesecake, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of the pecan crumble to the bottom of 6 small dessert glasses. Then we'll spoon our vanilla cheesecake filling right over the top of that. Now, I like to take a moment to even out the top and make it all nice in the glass. Then we want to divide up the peach sauce and put about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, over each cheesecake. Top with another small dollop of whipped cream if you like, and then you're going to take the rest of your pecan crumble and you're going to sprinkle it over the top. And there you go, my friends, a delicious and easy summer dessert that features peaches and is still keto, with only 4 grams net carbs per serving. They are awesome. Enjoy!